Good day to all. Today our topic is visualization. How can we create new object? How can we write the story with respect to our image visualization with respect to our mind? So today we discuss the topic about visualization. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. How our body responses? Our body always responses based on our mind visualization. In general, people are amazed at how I drive the car without dashing in traffic. Generally, we may drive the cycle, we may drive the bike, anything you may drive, but we can't touch any other body because of our mind visualization. So it done this right from when I understood my mind works. I can visualize a driving space exactly where I wanted to drive it. So 99% of the time it would be there for me and I would drive correctly. 1% of time I have just scrap on walls or other vehicles. I do that all the time. Based on this mind visualization, I didn't scrap any other vehicles and I didn't crash on walls likewise. From the mind visualization, I can do the thing with perfectly. So mind visualization is important. Understanding of mind visualization is also important for technological developments. When you visualize, then you materialize. So, mind visualization, how the athletes running the race in their mind as well as they are running inside the track. How the athletes are running inside the track without practically visualize the track within the eye. They imagine the track likewise so that I run it within the track like this. He make a decision with the mind visualization technique. If you have been there in the mind, you will go there in the body. So, how creator visualize the inventions? Our fundamental Thiruvalluvar is one of the famous poetry in Tamil. How he write the Kurals with the aid of mind visualization. He utilizes mind visualization, and also Kambar write the Ramayana story with the Ramayana epic with his mind visualization, so that only he can create the huge epic story. Okay, in that the only way anything has ever been intended to or created is because one person saw a picture in his mind. Our Sir C.V. Raman invented light diffraction, how Thomas Alva Edison invented light, how Wright brothers invented flight, and our Ford, how he can invent the car without the visualization. It happens, he always utilizes the mind visualization before creating the car, flight, light, and light refraction concepts, so that every scientist are utilizing mind visualization concepts for developing their own inventions. So they saw it clearly, and by holding that picture of the end result in their mind, all the forces of the universe brought to their invention into the world through them. So mind visualization is important for epic writing and story writing as well as psychological matter writing, and also we go for invention means scientific invention, technological invention means mind visualization plays vital. So understanding of our mind visualization is also important task in scientific or technological manner. Then art of visualization, based on the secret Rona Binding book, I have get some ideas about art of visualization. Here, your picture in your mind is seeing it as done. Based on that your visualized image within your mind, your feelings are seeing it as done. So your mind, your entire state of being are seeing it as already happened, so that the jumper exactly jumps on next wall through his mind visualization. So what is visualization? It is a process of creating images in mind. After creating image, enjoy from that image with your desire, which is visualization concepts. Now you understand about what is visualization. You can utilize this concept for every aspects in your life, so that you should understand what you are seeing with your mind. Based on that visualization, you make a decision for your future world. Thank you.